Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm diving into the fascinating world of cryptocurrency. If you're a beginner, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know what cryptocurrency is and how you can start investing in it. First off, what is cryptocurrency? Think of it as digital money. Unlike traditional currencies like the dollar or euro, cryptocurrencies operate on a technology called blockchain. Blockchain is like a digital ledger that keeps track of all transactions in a way that's secure and transparent. The most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, but there are thousands of others like Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple. Now, how do you invest in cryptocurrency? Here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Choose a cryptocurrency exchange. Platforms like Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken are popular choices where you can buy, sell, and store your crypto. Step 2. Create an account. Sign up using your email, set a strong password, and go through the verification process. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication for extra security. Step 3. Deposit funds. Link your bank account or use a credit card to fund your account. Some exchanges also accept PayPal. Step 4. Choose your cryptocurrency. Research different cryptocurrencies and decide which one you want to invest in. As a beginner, starting with Bitcoin or Ethereum might be a good idea. Step 5. Make your purchase. Enter the amount you want to invest and confirm the transaction. Congratulations, you now own some cryptocurrency. Remember, the crypto market is highly volatile. Prices can soar or plummet within hours. It's crucial to do your own research and invest only what you can afford to lose. And before I wrap up, here are a few quick tips. 1. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your money into one cryptocurrency. 1. Keep your crypto in a secure wallet. Consider hardware wallets for long-term storage. 1. Stay updated with the crypto news. Things change fast in this space. Alright, that's it for today's beginner's guide to investing in cryptocurrency. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Thanks for watching and happy investing.